very good morning. I bid to you, Dr.Siti Amira, my physics lecturer. I would like to introduce my presentation on Archimedes Principle. So, have you ever drink tea or ice, and when you put the ice cubes in the glass, then the water spills out? Have you ever considered? Have you ever wondered why? So that's where the uh, Archimedes Principle is included. So let's start off with introducing who is Archimedes. Archimedes is a mathematician, physicist, engineer, inventor, astronomer. I have to write all this because I have bad memory. So let's begin. Where did he first find his principle? So way back then, Archimedes is a mathematician, and in a kingdom, the king receives a crown made of gold, which the king himself gave the goldsmith to make the crown. So the king doubted that the crown is made fully of gold, so he is afraid that the goldsmith is a liar. He thinks that there is some silver is put inside the gold instead of made of full gold. So the king asks Archimedes to take off away to check if the crown is made fully out of gold. This makes Archimedes haywire. So he think and he comes to no resolve. He doesn't have a way to solve the problem. So after a tiring day, he went to take a bath, and he realizes that some of the water spilled out when he put his leg inside the tub. So he got an idea. He put the crown inside the water, and he calculated the water spilled with the weight of the gold crown, and he uses that to calculate either the crown is made fully of gold or there is some other substances inside the gold crown, which leads to the king might behead the goldsmith for lying to him. So that is where the principle of Archimedes originates. All this I wiki this. So he also said eureka. The word eureka comes from Archimedes too, if I'm not mistaken, because after he took his bath, he is so excited when he got the idea, that he ran naked and yelled eureka, as in I have an idea. Yes, that's his side information. So the theory is, when you put, say, something as I drew here, a Nike shoe is put inside the water, then the water spills out from the I'm sorry, my hand is shaking. Oh my goodness. So it spills out, and the water displaced is the same as the volume of the Nike shoe. This principle is used by cranes, utilized by water vehicles such as submarines, because submarines, they have ballast tanks, and ballast tanks, they collect water, they contain water until the volume of the water itself is heavy enough to keep the submarine from floating. And when the submarine wants to float up, then he'll release the water from the ballast tank. So that's the idea. Some more examples that this is a volume. This is an object that we would like to test with. An object, something, an iron block, a volume of, say, 24 centimeters cubed. when this 24 centimeters cube of iron block is put inside a container filled with water, it needs to be filled, so the water displays or spills out. Then the water displaced can be weighed and can be measured its volume, which will be the same as the cube. It should be it's not as accurate because it's a drawing. So the volume of the water displaced equals the volume of object. It equals entirely, because the water, it cannot be compressed practically. It occupies space. So when there isn't any space left in the container, then it will spill out, because the volume at the block occupies the space. So the water has no space, so it will spill out. So I will conduct an experiment in a bit, because I am just beside the toilet. So yes, girls, this is the men's loo. This is me. So apparently I have this coincidentally green container that I fill with water first. Thankfully it has a space beside it, so it can check if there is any water displaced. So it's about filled. So if I put this rock inside this section, the water should be displaced into this section or somewhere else. And it spills a bit. So that's the idea. So I hope, well, you get the idea. I hope you gain something from this talk, and I'm sorry for showing the men's loo. It looks very clean. I'll end this for now.